Welcome to the fruit quiz. Are you ready for a fast and fun challenge? Can you name the fruits in just a few seconds? We'll start easy and move all the way to the super hard level. Let's go. Easy level. Warm up, listen carefully and answer quickly. Guess the fruits. Pear, banana, lemon. Next fruits. Grapes, mango, orange. Guess the fruits. Kiwi, apple. Great start. Ready to move on? Medium level. Now it gets a little trickier. Focus. Next fruits. Strawberry, plum, papaya. Guess the fruits. Pomegranate, coconut. Next fruits. Fig, red grapefruit. Well done. Welcome to the hard level. Hard level. Only true fruit fans make it here. Next fruits. Dragon fruit, lychee. Guess the fruits. Gooseberry, blueberry, pineapple. Amazing, but are you ready for the final challenge? Super hard level. The ultimate fruit challenge. Are you ready? Next fruits. Rambutan, carambola, guava. Next fruits. Mangosteen, Koromoya. Final fruit. Kawano.